In this question, we are given the inequality x plus 3, x minus 1 is bigger or equals to 0. Ladies and gentlemen, we can agree that this is already factorized for us and we are looking for where we have positive, right? Bigger or equals to 0, we're going to be looking for positive. Okay, first thing first, since it's factorized, we do not need to expand or factorize. We just have to make each bracket to be 0 to get the critical values, right? So CVs, it's x plus 3 equals to 0 or x minus 1 equals to 0. Then transposing, we're going to have x equals to minus 3 or x equals to 1. Right, those are our critical values. We use them to draw a number line. So a number line starts with a smaller number and comes with the bigger one. And we can see that our number line is divided into 3 regions. And the first region are numbers that are, so number x just means numbers. So numbers that are less than or equals to minus 3. So that is the region 1. We're not sure if it's going to be the solution or not. Then numbers in between negative 3 and 1, inclusive, because the original inequality is inclusive. So this is a region 2. Region 3 will be numbers that are bigger than or equals to 1. Now we need to test all those regions and see where our solution lies. But we know that we're going to have dots here, right? Closed dots. Why? Because the inequality has or equal sign. So if it has this, it's dots. If it was just this, it's circle. Open, it's open dot basically, not closed. All right. So now, ladies and gents, we are going to test our regions. So let's test region 1. On region 1, I'm going to pick any number. I can pick minus 4. I'm going to test with minus 4. So you always put it in the factorized part. So minus 4, minus 4. The first bracket becomes negative 1. So it's negative. You're just interested in the signs, not really the value. So the first bracket is negative. The second one is also negative. So negative times negative will indeed give us positive. So this works. So region 1 works. Right. Perfect. Then we can erase those rough sketches and everything. We don't have to show it. But we have shown that region 1 works, so we write it down. So we're going to say x is less than or equals to minus 3. And we must show an arrow going to region 1 like that. Or, let's keep on going and see if we're going to get another solution. Let's test region 2. Region 2, I'm going to pick a 0 because 0 lies between minus 3 and 1. So I put a 0 there. I put a 0 there. The first bracket gives me a positive. The second bracket gives me a negative. Positive and negative doesn't give me positive. So this region fails. So region 2 failed. Okay, so we're not going to include region 2. Now let's go to region 3. Region 3, I'm going to pick a closest number which I can take 2. The closest number that is bigger than 1, it's x equals to 2, right? So let's put 2 here and 2 there and see what we get. The first bracket is positive. The second bracket is also positive. So positive and positive will give us positive. And indeed, region 3 is also part of the solution. So we're going to show that region 3 goes there. And then x is bigger or equals to 1. Solutions. Right, and then that is the end of this question, ladies and gentlemen. So I just want to repeat. To solve inequalities, step 1, factorize. So you make sure you factorize. Step 2, CVs. Step 3, number line. And show your regions. Show your regions. Number 4, you test your regions. You test your regions. And then you'll see where the solution is. Perfect. Thank you very much. Thank you.